In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to take back a move on chess.com and also explain when this works and when it doesn't, because a lot of people get confused about this feature. If you've ever made a mistake mid-game and wished you could undo it, this guide will clear everything up. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to chess.com, then start a game. For this method, we're specifically talking about playing against a bot, not a real player. So go ahead and click on Play Computer and choose any bot you want to play against. Once the game starts, make your moves as you normally would. Now let's say you make a move and immediately realize it was a mistake. Maybe you hung a piece, missed a tactic, or just clicked the wrong square. Don't worry, here's what you do. Look over to the right-hand side of your screen where the game controls are located. You'll see a small curving arrow icon. This is the undo button. Go ahead and click that undo button. When you click it, chess.com will take back your last move, allowing you to replay it differently. This is super useful for practicing, learning, or just analyzing positions without starting a new game every time you mess up. You can repeat this process multiple times if needed, depending on the game settings and the bot you're playing against. Now here's the important part that a lot of people miss. This undo feature only works when you're playing against bots or in certain casual scenarios. If you are playing a rated game against another real player, you cannot undo a move once it has been submitted. That means once you let go of the piece, the move is final. There's no going back. This is because rated games are meant to be fair and competitive, so allowing takebacks would break that system. So if you don't see the undo button or it's not working, chances are you're in a rated or live game where takebacks are disabled. In that case, your only option is to keep playing and try to recover from the mistake. One quick tip, if you're practicing or learning, stick to bot games where undo is available. It's a great way to improve without the pressure of making permanent mistakes. And that's it. That's exactly how you take back a move on chess.com. Quick, simple, and very useful once you know where to look. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.